Welcome to our channel. We're here to bring you daily, high-quality videos that help you find the best products. Today, we're diving into the world of portable Bluetooth speakers. Get ready for an audio adventure. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Tirelessly Stormbox Micro 2. If you're just looking for a small speaker that can kick out some decent volume, the Tirelessly Stormbox Micro 2 fits the bill. The audio quality here is fine, it doesn't stand out in terms of fidelity, but the volume you get from this affordable little speaker is what makes it a good choice. If you're bopping about outdoors on your bike or chilling in the park, it's usually more about portability and volume anyway. The rubbery rear strap works well on relatively thin things like belts, backpacks and bike handlebars. While it's small and affordable, the speaker supports USB-C charging for your devices in a pinch, and you can wirelessly connect two of them for party mode or stereo sound. It also supports voice assistants for both iOS and Android users. Number 2. UE Wonderbroom 3. The Ultimate Ears Wonderbroom 3 is a tiny yet powerful portable, delivering the biggest sound in its size range that we tested. It's still a cute, barrel-shaped small speaker with a nubby little strap that probably needs a carabiner to help attach it to most things. But this refreshed model includes a couple of bright new colors, an extra hour of battery life and improved wireless range. With an IP67 rating on top of the company's 5-foot drop test durability, it can go with you almost anywhere and survive to tell the tale. The audio quality is punchy and bright enough for what you'd expect at this scale and price range. Although there's no app support or connectivity with the rest of the Ultimate Ears speaker lineup, you can easily pair it with speakers like the Wonderbroom 2 or Megaboom 3 for stereo sound. There's also an outdoor mode button on the bottom that boosts the mid and high range to help the audio carry over a greater distance. Number 3. JBL Flip 6. JBL's Flip 6 deserves high marks for overall sound quality, durability and volume considering its size, and those features make it the best JBL speaker for most people. As with most JBL speakers, it has a good dynamic range from solid lows to crisp highs with volume tipped towards higher registers. The cylindrical shape works well on its side or even standing on its end to save desk space. It has a capable carrying, or hanging, strap and raised buttons you can discern in the dark. The JBL Portable app gives you a 3-band EQ to customize the sound profile if desired, and if you have two Flip 6 speakers, you can run them in stereo mode. If you happen to have a mix and match assortment of different Party Boost enabled JBL devices, you can connect multiple speakers for a bigger sound. Number 4. Bose SoundLink Flex. While the $99 Bose SoundLink Micro is half the size, we found that it's definitely worth the extra $50 if you trade up to the SoundLink Flex. While it's still not a room filler, the speaker offers some bright, dynamic finesse to your tunes, along with a significant amount of bass for its size. It's similar to the scale of a small clutch bag, with a very small strap for carabiner-type hanging. Much of the exterior is sheathed in soft-touch silicone, except for the powder-coated steel speaker grills. Like others in this range, the speaker is IP67 rated so it can handle the elements and sound good doing it. Setup and connecting to the speaker should be done from within the aptly named Bose Connect app. You can also turn off voice prompts, which can become annoying, and pair with similar speakers for either party mode or stereo. Note: some users running Android 12th of May encounter connectivity issues with the Bose Connect app. The company is working to resolve the problem. Number 5. Marshall Immerse 2. The recently released Immerse 2 Bluetooth portable from Marshall has a bumped-up set of specs that make it a better value than the previous general. This clutchable rectangular slab still has a pair of 10-watt full-range drivers and passive radiators to deliver the brand's signature sound. It may not be the loudest in its size range, but it focuses more on balanced output than raw power. There's still 360 sound as well, making it a good companion for small get-togethers. Although, with its 60 Hz low-end threshold, you'll find a better bass response when there are surfaces to reflect off of, and not so much if it's in the middle of a table. This new model now offers up to 30 hours of listening on a charge, 10 hours better than before, and a more rugged IP67 rating. There's also a new ability to pair with another Immerse 2 or Will 2 using the new stack mode. The range between them is limited, however, so stacking them probably is the best way to go. Additionally, Marshall is offering a more environmentally friendly product than before, using 50% post-consumer plastics in its construction.